asun tuossa Kehtiö Kalevan koto Torikatu 26 in Heinola, staircase C. Yeah.
So it's 9832. Was impossible.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
This was too embarrassing.
They're not opening the door yet.
The hanky up and up.
Yeah.
There's no lift in staircase B. And we have to get the staircase A also.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not coming yet.
Niissä tippaakin laittaa meitä Kone.
It's just the basement and then quick pictures.
No, close the door. That's